1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. Heat waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. Heat waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. Usually I put something on TV, so we never think about you and me. But today I see our reflections clearly in Hollywood playing on the screen. You just need a better life than this. You need something I can never give. Fake water all across the road. It's gone now, the night has come. But sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. Heat waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. You can't fight it, you can't breathe. You say something so loving, but now I gotta let you go. You'll be better off in someone new. I don't wanna be alone. You know it hurts me too. You look so broken when you cry. One more and then I'll say goodbye. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. Heat waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. Heat waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. I just wonder what you're dreaming of when you sleep and smile so comfortable. I just wish that I could give you that look that's perfectly unsad. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. Heat waves been faking me out. Heat waves been faking me out. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. Heat waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. Heat waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. Hey, thanks so much for checking out this video. If you enjoyed that cover, then please like this, and also don't forget to subscribe. Also, I want to thank my friends at Leolani Ukulele for sponsoring this video and for allowing me to showcase the T52 4G. It's a tenor size uke. It's my favorite instrument to play, and it's very simple looking, but it has a lot of tone, a lot of volume. It plays easy on your fingers, and it's very affordable. So get your hands on this model. Just click on the link in my description box below. All right, so where do we go from here? Well, you should check out this video right here. Right here, click on that. It's gonna take you to another great cover. I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you right there.